Hey there plant enthusiasts! Welcome back to Gardening Glory. Today we have a special topic in line with the upcoming festive season, Thanksgiving cactus care tips. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your plant journey, these tips will help your Thanksgiving cactus thrive and bring a burst of color to your holiday decor. But before we dive into the care tips, let's get to know the plant. The Thanksgiving cactus, scientifically known as Schlumbergera truncata, is a popular succulent plant that belongs to the cactus family Cactaceae. Despite its name, it is not a true desert cactus. Instead, it is native to the cloud forests of Brazil. The plant is also commonly referred to as the holiday cactus or crab cactus. Now let's jump right into the care tips to keep your Thanksgiving cactus healthy and happy. Tip 1. Light and location. First things first, lighting. Thanksgiving cacti are not fans of direct sunlight. Opt for bright, indirect light for most of the day. A spot near an east or north-facing window is ideal. If you're placing it outdoors, make sure it's in a shaded area to avoid scorching those delicate leaves. Tip 2. Watering. Now, onto watering. Thanksgiving cacti prefer slightly moist soil. Keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Water thoroughly when the top inch of the soil feels dry to the touch. During the blooming season, which usually begins in late fall, increase your watering frequency a bit to support flower production. Tip 3. Humidity. Thanksgiving cacti are native to the rainforests of Brazil, so they appreciate a bit of humidity. Mist the plant occasionally, or place a tray filled with water and pebbles near the plant to create a humid microenvironment. This helps prevent the edges of the stems from drying out. Tip 4. Temperature. Temperature matters. Thanksgiving cacti thrive in a temperature range of 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid sudden temperature fluctuations, and keep the plant away from drafts, especially during the colder months. Tip 5. Fertilizing. Now, let's talk about feeding your Thanksgiving cactus. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer diluted to half strength. Feed your cactus every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season, which typically runs from spring to early fall. Once late fall arrives, reduce fertilizing to encourage blooming. Tip 6. Pruning. Don't be afraid to trim and shape your Thanksgiving cactus. Pruning encourages a bushier and more compact growth habit. Remove any leggy or dead stems with clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears. This will promote new growth and a fuller appearance. And there you have it. Thanksgiving cactus care tips to ensure a stunning display of blooms during the holiday season. Remember, a little love and attention go a long way in keeping your Thanksgiving cactus happy and healthy. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more plant care guides. Wishing you and your plants a wonderful holiday season. Until next time, happy planting!